You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 12,725. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values, add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 9 plus 6 equals 15. Carry 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 2 plus 9 equals 12. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. 1 plus 7 plus 9 equals 17. Carry 1 to the thousands place. 1 plus 8 plus 3 equals 12. Carry 1 to the 10,000s place. Write 1 in the 10,000s place, and so the final result is 12,725.